right, we're here. This is the first big freeze of the year, and I'm excited. About to get on a plane and head out to Nimmo Bay. This is going to be a really fun weekend.
Hi, I'm Becky.
I'm Fraser. We live and work in the Great Bear Rainforest.
Join us while we test new ideas for our guests
And meet up with the amazing people in our community.
Of course, the Yeti.
We're here.
We made it, baby. We made it.
This is the best the place has ever looked in any winter.
Hey, it's Jess from Shuck Taylor's here at Nimmo Bay. Beautiful and frigid cold February day, and we're gonna have some fun diving.
We're talking about this ultimate sandwich, or the ultimate toasted feast.
The ultimate East Coast, West Coast sandwich.
And we're just setting up. We kind of like to do it in style. We got some hot tubs here. We've got a fireplace. We're gonna set up a sofa. We've got our dive gear. And yeah, we're gonna head out and get some uni. Free dive, get the ingredients, build the sandwich. You know, we bring that East Coast vibe and that West Coast vibe and create the most delicious sandwich. Woo! Let's undo these lines. I think
We're gonna get real cold. Real cold.
I think here's good, eh? That sun goes behind the hill, and we have an hour. I don't know, this might be just...
We gotta do it just for the gram.
Oh, feels good. Now I'm gonna put my other one on top of this one. Can I get closer to shore? That's swimming, please. Okay. The Japanese hatchet, I think, is back here in my Costco bag. Can you please grab these? Acorn barnacle. Awesome. Thank you.
That's pretty good.
All right, we're gonna see if we can find some sea cucumbers. We're gonna hop in and go over the next shore.
Any luck?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Never gets old. That's good enough, eh? Let's go get warm. That was amazing. That's so fun. It's pretty good. Oh, man.
Well, this is what it's about, Fraser. Just, you know, being out here, there's nothing else except just us.
This is luxury. This is so good.
The hot dogs aren't even that hot. This sandwich is gonna be. This is gonna be the best sandwich of my life. I think we're just going to make some salt for the sandwiches. This is a pretty crude way to do it, but it's still, I just love the idea of making your own salt from ocean water, and then we'll sprinkle that on the sandwiches that we make.
Yeah, baby. I think Nimmo Bay is no better spot in the world for us to have East meet West. You know, bringing in Atlantic lobster and combining it with some of the things that we foraged around here.
We have caviar, we have uni, we're going to try to put some acorn barnacle in there.
That's right. And by putting this together, we're just going to have an amazing experience.
Oh, this is incredible. You know, my mom's from Newfoundland, and growing up, we'd go back, and every time we go back, we'd have these insane lobster boils. And so this is like bringing me back home to my family, and then to have that here, kind of in my backyard with acorn barnacles and
You're connecting both of your childhoods here at this place that you love so much. And so what are you tasting with this lobster?
I don't really like it, but
No?
oh, I love it. It's insane. So I'm going to make you some chopsticks first. Something about just homemade chopsticks and that feel and that taste of the seed in your mouth. Here, here's our chopsticks. I've got some beautiful sourdough. I'm going to toast this. Okay, let's do some urchins. Yeah, I think we're done here. Oh, here we go. Oh, it is just, look at that. So the idea was to take a piece of toast, and you can either put your uni on it, put your lobster on it, put your butter on it. A little butter on your toast. Out of here, I don't know what put this on here would be, I think, incredible.
And that's the acorn barnacle.
Let's put the acorn barnacle, yeah.
Let's put the lobster on it, right?
Yeah. Oh my God. That is
insane.
It's beautiful. That's it. That's what we've been working towards.
That's epic.
You did it. I think this background is spectacular.
This whole place is spectacular, Fraser. And so, yeah.
All right.
What do we have here?
I think you're gonna get into it, aren't you?
I'm gonna get into this. So we have an uni draped on this toasted sourdough, like a butter. Acorn barnacle from here at Nimmo. And then we have a beautiful Atlantic lobster roll claw, and then finished with a sturgeon caviar. And then we've just lightly salted it with some of this beautiful salt that we made today. Yeah.
I think you need to start in the halfway point. Oh, did you get that? Like that is what you, that's what you need.
All right.
What this whole weekend is about.
That is just seafood perfection. It's salty, it's umami, it's buttery, it's rich, it's just everything all at once. Just gonna need a moment.
So the whole point of the whole weekend was we didn't even know what it was. And then here
No.
we are. This
We've been figuring it out.
Came out of nowhere.
And I think we've done it.
We have done it.
We've done it. We've made the ultimate sandwich. Never gonna have anything better than this.
No.
This is our cameraman Josh, who's been helping us all weekend film this adventure. And we want you to have the world's best sandwich, Josh.
Thank you. I appreciate this opportunity. I'm honored. Here we go.
This is West Coast, baby. With some East Coast. Oh, no.
It's so good. It's like You just know from the moment you bite it that you can't buy it. You can't. Like, it's just not something that's like, you know, you can't do this unless you're like here.
Yep.
You know.
What was that?
I don't know.
Don't need it. Get rid of it. Is your tooth okay?
My tooth is fine.
Oh, good.
Oh God, what is even happening? There's like too many. It's so good. It's so good. I feel like I can't notice it all at once. I need more. Sorry guys, I'm gonna need a couple more of these.
With this backdrop and these people and this place, you're just never going to have anything better than this.